this is a huge headline for students around the country, and that's of course the board exams for class 10 and 12 of CBSE being held for the first time in 2 batches. How does that actually work? Here's the report.
17-year-old Arshia Madan of Delhi is among lakhs of students who will take not 1 but 2 board exams, a major change because of the second year of the pandemic.
पिछले कुछ सालों में यही होता था कि एग्ज़ाम होता था 3 घंटे का, और अगर किसी भी एक्सटर्नल या सिचुएशनल फैक्टर की वजह से आप उस एग्ज़ाम में अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते थे तो उसको ठीक करने का हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था। पर अब 50-50 की वजह से अगर हम एक में अच्छा नहीं भी कर पाते हैं तो हमें दूसरे में अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है।
More details are now out after the late night surprise announcement. Each term exam will be given equal weightage in the final results. No overlap in the syllabus of the 2 terms. The dates of the first term exams are from November to December 2021 and they will each be 1.5-hour exams. The second term exams will be held from March to April in 2022 and they will be of 2 hours each. While the first one will be objective type, the second will be subjective type. The syllabus will be rationalized and details of the rationalized syllabus will be released by the end of this month. Last year, the CBSE had reduced the syllabus by 30%.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ जो ये लेटेस्ट गाइडलाइन CBSE की आई हैं इससे, बिकॉज मैंने देखा है एक्चुअली में बच्चों को टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस इस पीरियड में, एंड एज फार एज 12th इज़ कंसर्न तो इस क्लास की इम्पोर्टेंस भी बहुत है और बहुत प्रेशर बच्चे लेते भी हैं जिसकी वजह से उनकी मेंटल हेल्थ पे भी असर होता है।
But the students will also be marked on internal assessments throughout the year. This will include 3 periodic tests, exploratory activities and practical work.
This is going to be a great shift from the conventional method of assessment, and that kind of practice which we really used to have earlier, it will really change the whole scenario. It is not going to be the same one-size-fits-all kind of a system.
It is the best way for the assessment of performance of board classes. जैसा कि CBSE ने कहा है कि sufficient efforts will be made so that all the internal assessments जैसे कि practicals हैं, project work है, they all will be made more credible and reliable as per the new moderation policy that is going to be released very soon.
CBSE has decided that if schools remain closed even during the November to December period, students will take the Term 1 examinations online from home, but their weightage will be kept lesser in comparison to Term 2 examinations while declaring the final results. In New Delhi with camera person Sushil Rathi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.